What is a seam tracking sensor and how does this benefit in a welding process? As the word says, it's a sensor that guides a welding tool or a brazing tool along the path where you want to carry out later on your joining process. It can be MIG welding or laser welding, and of course the advantage is that you don't need to program this path. You do robotic or automated welding because you want to increase your productivity and efficiency, and if you can save the time for programming, that's a big benefit, and this is what a seam tracking sensor does.